On September 20 of 2017, Puerto Rico was hit by the Category 4 Hurricane Maria. So I live by the northwest part of the island that wasn't much damaged as other parts, but still we received some damages, especially in the coast, and most houses were the ceilings were ripped off, and we had a lot of flooding. My personal experience wasn't that bad, as many of friends and persons that I know that lost their properties, lost their houses. The most impressive and heartbreaking part of this experience was to go out of my house after the hurricane and see all the damage that the hurricane caused. The trees were down, the houses were down, the ceilings were ripped off, and you know, many people lost their houses and lost their properties, and there was so many devastation that at that time you just cry. After the hurricane, I remember how all the country and my hometown gathered together to help the people in need and get together to pick up the storm damage like wood planes and the ceilings and stuff. So it was a very comforting time for me after the hurricane to see how many people get together and unified as one country. The university I was attending at that time, University of Puerto Rico in Mayagüez, was very damaged, and it lost a lot of money, billions of dollars, because of the hurricane. And not only that, but the island was without power, electricity for months. One of the most challenging things of going back to the university was that we didn't have power, electricity, water or internet connection, so it was very challenging to keep up with the work. And because of that, the school ended in June, so many people lost job and internships opportunities. I first started considering transferring for university when I realized that keeping up in my university was very challenging, and I didn't have the same opportunities that many people have here in the United States. So I was considering many universities, but UAlbany was the only one that offered me all the opportunities and the chances to come here as an in-state student, and offered me other opportunities to continue my studies. Coming here has been of so many challenges and sacrifices, because I'm the only student displaced from Hurricane Maria that is coming here to UAlbany, and also because I have encountered so many challenges with the language and trying to communicate with people and socializing with other students, and also because of the weather that is so much cold of Puerto Rico. I have loved UAlbany so far because it's a university so full of diversity, and because they are so compromised with the education of people from different backgrounds. I am so grateful to UAlbany and the Department of Atmospheric Sciences for letting me be here, following my dreams to be a meteorologist in the future, and providing me with this opportunity that is so life-changing.